Welcome back to the channel. Very exciting unboxing today. We have, as you can see, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now this is the creator combo and I've been waiting for this for quite some time. Now, this is going to be replacing a GoPro Hero 11 and this will become my behind the scenes camera. And also I'm going to be using this on a couple of other channels. So it's going to get a lot of use. And I just thought I'd share the unboxing with you today. So it's a 1-inch sensor, and that's what I'm really interested in because there's going to be a lot of low light scenarios I'm going to be filming in. So the 1-inch sensor in its low light capabilities is going to work perfectly for this. We have the rotatable screen. Obviously it's a gimbal, which means we're going to get super smooth shots and not going to be cropped in digitally as they are on the GoPro for stabilization. We have active track, which is again going to be super easy, because this is also going to be replacing my Sony a7 IV on a DJI, I think it's a SC gimbal. And yeah, this is going to be a much sort of lighter setup and yeah, just much more easy to use in general. So 10-bit, again, easier to color grade, got stereo recording, and it is, of course, pocket sized. So let's unbox this. I'm very excited. All right, my trusty Leatherman. Literally, I'm so excited to open this. I thought I'd go for the Creator Combo Kit because it has the microphone included and a few other extras. So let's just open it up. So nicely sealed. So what have we got? Handy little silica pouch that will go in my camera bag. And then that is everything in there, I'm guessing. So let's just put that to one side for a second. What have we got in here? All the instructions and things that we never look at. Oh, do we have some stickers? We have some stickers. Cool. Like that. Let's open that up and have a look because I've not had stickers with a DJI product before. So what have we got? We got this one. Standard logo, and then we have this one, and then we have this one. So I really like those. I should be applying those to various bits of kit, I'm sure, somewhere at some point. And then we have all the instructions, quick start guide, blah blah blah. You don't want to see this, we just want to unbox this. So let's just, oh, we've got another box inside here, so let's just have a look at this first. I'm not quite sure what's in here. Ah, okay, so there's nothing else in there. And this looks to me to be the little case, the Pocket 3 case. Yes, it is, yep. So I've had all of the Pockets. I've had Pocket 1, Pocket 2, and yeah, I've enjoyed using them all, but this one, very intriguing because it has this 1-inch sensor. And let's just open this up. Let's just get to the main stuff. I just want to see this camera. Been looking at so many reviews and reading, you know, so many detailed reviews of this camera that I thought it's about time we had this. All right, nice little case it comes in. Very well made. Nice little bit of texture. Weather sealed. Got a little swing ticket on here. And a little belt loop or carry loop. So opening it up, what have we got? Now you're seeing this the first time, I'm seeing this also. So camera is in this side. Looks like the mic here, battery, I think that's the other adapter for the 1/4 inch. So let's pull out that mic. I just want to look at that first. So I have the DJI, well, it's got a mark on it. Oh no, it's just a bit of humidity by the looks of it. So this is the DJI Mic 2. Now this pairs automatically with the Pocket 3. Little record button on there, USB-C. I quite like it because it's translucent. It's different. But yeah, as I said, I've got the DJI Mic 1 kit with the double mic kit. But I thought it looks a little bit smaller. Right, what else have we got? So we have the battery grip. Let's just get all of these out. All right, that looks to me, got USB-C port there. And then we've got the quick mount option on here. And then that just clips on the bottom. So then we have a 1/4 inch thread on here. So just having a close-up look at that. Put that to one side. And then there's this little adapter that gives us the option to have a slightly longer handle on the camera. And that gives us the 1/4 inch thread on the bottom. And then the quick release again, which I really like. So quick release is enabled by pushing this button. Can you see that? Okay. What else have we got? Loads of stuff in here. All right, this looks to me like the Dead Cat. Little fairy wind muff. Yep, let's put that there. All right, so this is a little easier to put on than the other one, because the other one you had to screw on a little bit, but this one just goes into the mic jack. So you've got a little mic jack there. And on the Dead Cat, you've got a little plastic plug. This is really, really soft and fairy, this one. Very different quality. And that just clips on. It will definitely stay on there. It's not coming off. And then we've got the magnetic clip on the back. So that's that. What else have we got in this little bag? We've got a little wrist strap. Standard DJI wrist strap. So probably be swapping that out for a Peak Design cuff or wrist strap or something like that. What's in here? Oh, okay, this is the little baby tripod. Very small, super compact. Okay, I like it. And very robust as well. Another look at that. Let's put that to one side. What else do we have in here? Some more silica. Cable. So we've got a USB-C to USB-C cable there. Anything else? Aha. Okay, so that's the magnetic clip for the DJI Mic 2. And I'm guessing this is the wide-angle lens. Yeah, it is. Okay, let's just get that out and have a look. Yeah, it's going to be very difficult not to get fingerprints on these. So that's the wide-angle lens adapter. So it's got a concave lens on the front, whether you can see that. And that supposedly just magnetically attaches to the front of the camera. So let's get the camera out. Whoa, oh gosh. It's got a nice bit of weight to it actually. It's definitely, well obviously it's bigger than the previous models, but it's got a nice bit of weight to it. So it's pretty solid. It feels really solid in the hand. And then turn it on like so. Okay, let's do this. Let's peel this off. Wow. Okay. So let's just go through this setting. In fact, it says swipe to skip. I'm swiping. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at that. All right, wide angle lens. Ooh, actually, it's pretty solid. I'm actually surprised of how well that magnet actually works. Anyway, let's just, how do we turn this off? Oh yeah, we just rotate the screen. But it doesn't close all the way with this lens on. So as you can imagine, I'm very excited to just have a little play with this. Let's just clip that on the bottom. This way around or that way around? Ooh, okay. So yeah, that gives us a nice little bit of grip on there. I need to go and find an SD card. So this is where the lanyard attaches. SD card, mini SD card goes in here. Let's just turn that back on and turn it off, and then it should park in a better position. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching this unboxing. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, please give me a like. Please consider subscribing and ring that bell if you'd like to be notified of future videos. I think you're going to be seeing a little bit of this camera in up and coming videos, so stay tuned for those. And hopefully, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.